Hello, I'm Christopher Kapik, and recently I've been reworking my personal site. And one of the interesting things I've done with this is I created a navbar that's mobile friendly and has the hamburger dropdown and everything that does not involve any JavaScript. And I want to show off how I did that a little bit. So here we go. All right, first of all, this is what it looks like. The mobile page is like this, and this text I generated with ChatGPT. But the mobile navbar slides down like so, and you can navigate between pages. And yeah, it works quite nicely, I think. Now the fancy part about this is if we go here. Oops. I'm trying to figure out how to use Lunar Vim for a couple of reasons. One of the things is that the actual Vim plugin for VS Code has been slow for me recently. Anyway, in components, navbar, okay. Mobile. So this is my mobile navbar. And let's see. So this is essentially what we need to do in order to get the navbar to work is we need to manage state with our HTML elements. Now the way that I'm going to do this is I use this input element right here. Now you'll see I have classes hidden. And this is because I don't actually want the checkbox to show up, but I can use this input with the checked attribute in the HTML to sort of save my state without JavaScript. So basically, the way this works is we have the input, and then we have the label, which is for the input. And when you click on the label in HTML, it triggers the input as well, or it clicks on the input as well. I don't know if that's technically the right way to say that, but I get the effect that I want in that this checkbox gets checked. And then in the CSS, down here, I'm using Astra, by the way. So I have my HTML up here, and then my style down here. It's kind of like Svelte, but my styles are in the style block, and my HTML is up here. There's no JavaScript. This JavaScript up here is I'll run on the server side, or if I decide to use static site generation, it's generated at build time. There's no JavaScript that gets sent to the client, and this is a feature of Astro's. So anyway, down here we have our CSS, and anytime the how did this work? Oh yeah, so this little tilde here, the squiggly character, when this checkbox is checked, then this style is applied, and when it is not checked, then I think the standard unordered list style is applied, or whatever's after the little squiggly thing. So, and then this transition allows it to slide in and out. So basically we're saving state in the HTML element itself, and then we're referencing based on the checked or not checked nature of the HTML element inside of our CSS to allow for this sliding navbar without any JavaScript. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I wanted to share it. I'm sure there are other videos about this on YouTube, but yeah, I hope this was useful, and if so, please leave a like. If you have any comments on how I can do this better, I would love to hear about it too, because I just don't know if there's a better way of handling this. Yeah, so all right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.